Good morning. It's July the 10th. This Tuesday, the markets overnight are agriculture is mostly lower, a little bit mixed. Soybeans are at the moment up a little bit. We are looking at energy up, the dollar up, precious metals are down. The stock market's kind of mixed. Let's take a look. Asia is right. Well, Asia closed mixed. Europe is currently trading up, and the U.S. is up a small amount as far as the news goes. Everybody saw that President Trump nominated Kavanaugh as his Supreme Court justice selection. That'll take months to play out. Problems in the UK. Can Prime Minister May survive a vote of confidence? It's looking more and more doubtful. And same news as usual. What is the status of trade sanctions? Will they escalate? Will they get better? And the market, based on reaction right now, just not real sure. What else have we got? Let's look at the markets, and then I'm going to go over crop progress because it's very, very noteworthy. You need to look at this. Starting with cotton right now, down 26 at 85.21, a high of 85.72, a low of 85.17. November soybeans up 1 at 8.73, a high of 8.76.5, a low of 8.62. And a half. December corn is down 2 3/4 at 3.64 1/4, a high of 3.67, a low of 3.63 1/4. September wheat down 5 1/2 at 5.02 3/4, high of 5.07 3/4, low of 4.97. And then we've got crude oil up 25 cents a barrel. The dollar is up 27. Gold down $9 an ounce. Silver down 12 cents an ounce. And the S&P futures index right now is up about 5. Looking at crop progress, we've got really very surprising, almost stunning numbers, and they've been bad in cotton, but gosh, I just don't know if it gets any worse than this. If you look at the good to excellent category, 41% of the cotton in this country is good to excellent. Last week it was 43%. That's not the surprise. Here's the surprise. Texas is 21% good to excellent. The previous week, it was 25%. We've dropped down to that level in Texas. Very, very poor conditions with cotton there. Looking at the national numbers at squaring, 59% of the crop is squaring versus the average for this time of the year, 55%. 21% setting bowls. The average this time of the year is 15%. Soybeans, corn, and wheat are all excellent. 71% in soybeans, 71% good to excellent. That's the same as the previous week. 47% blooming on soybeans. The average for this time of the year is 27%. 11% setting pods. The average for this time of the year is 4%. So we're well ahead of schedule there. Corn, 75% good to excellent versus previous week, 76%. The corn crops, 37% silking. Average for this time of the year is 18%. Wheat, 80% good to excellent for spring wheat. 77% is the average. Well, 77% is the previous week's number. And then headed, you've got spring wheat, 81% headed. This time of the year normally is 69%. So very good numbers for grain and oilseed. Very bad numbers, especially in Texas, for the cotton crop. No real surprise, but I think more and more people are realizing just how bad it is that weren't as informed. Today on the calendar, API energy stocks at 3:30. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.